Come on now, keep moving. Up, up, keep moving. Straight inside, quickly now. Easy now, keep moving straight ahead. We're almost there. Overall health looks good across the herd. No signs of mastitis.
Agreed. We can clear them for the next cycle.
Vitals look good on this one. Temperature is normal.
Okay, I'm logging the clearance now.
Vitals are stable on this one.
Okay, preparing the vaccination now.
I'll move ahead to the next pen.
Move along now, keep it orderly. Everyone into the stalls.
The milk flows through advanced filtration systems.
Next, the milk enters a pasteurization machine where it is heated to a controlled temperature to eliminate harmful bacteria.
Maintain temperature at 150. Recalibrating the flow sensors now.
Acknowledged. Systems are green across the board.
Finally, the purified and processed goat milk flows smoothly into large, sterile storage tanks, ready to be used in the next stage of cream production.
Essential oils, vitamins, and nourishing additives are gradually introduced into the milk mixture. These
The consistency is definitely thicker than standard.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me check the specs.
Once the formulation is complete, the final mixture is transferred through sealed pipelines to the next stage of processing, ready for refinement and quality control.
Inside the processing system, vacuum technology is used to remove trapped air bubbles from the cream, resulting in a smoother and more luxurious texture.
We're conducting detailed tests to measure the exact pH levels, ensuring everything meets the highest safety and skincare standards.
The sample appears entirely free of particulates.
confirmed. Consistency is optimal.
The data confirms that batch 47 passes all quality checks. We recommend official approval.
Excellent. Based on color and appearance match the golden standard.
Agreed. Smoothness and viscosity are perfect. We are clear for packaging.
pallet 45B scanned and verified.
Good. Let's move to the next aisle. Watch that pallet, easy on the left. Copy that, moving it in now.
I love how this feels.
The reviews say it's highly effective.
Let's get a few for the basket.